Hello everyone, I am Aumkaar and my roll number is 20IE10005. Here I have created a vase placed on a platform which in turn is placed on a square base. To create this structure, I have used 4 sketches. The first sketch is that of a square. Yes, here you can see it. The square is parallel to the xy plane and placed at z is equal to -3 mm, after which it has been raised by a millimeter using the pad tool. Now on this base I have drawn an octagon at z is equal to -2 mm and then a circle at z is equal to 0. Both of these sketches have been joined using the additive loft function to create the platform. Now to create the vase, I have started with a sketch in the xz plane. Let me correct the perspective. Yes, here it is. Now this curved line is created using the B-spline tool, which was then revolved into the actual vase using the revolution tool. Now the vase has been hollowed out from within using the thickness tool, and then finally to create the engravings, first I have created a sphere of radius 1 mm, which you can see here, and this sphere has been repeated around the vase using the polar array function. There are 8 of these spheres and each of it corresponds to a vertex of the octagon below. Now to create the engraving, I have used the part Boolean cut tool. So this is my final structure. I hope you liked my work. Thank you.